FDA compliance in tattoo shops and tattoo sprays, and what does this actually mean when people ask? So FDA compliance, especially when it comes to tattoo numbing sprays, is going to be a big deal because it goes with what's called GMP standards, good manufacturing practices, and that's kind of what we have to do when we're in the lab at all times. Here at the tattoo shop where we're at now, this is basically where we ship Pronum. We ship Pronum, I'm not even gonna lie to you, from our tattoo shop, from the Pronum building, and from my house. Because, you know, I want to get these orders out same day, and a lot of the time I have to move around. I have to go to each business. I got to run businesses. That's how it is, real life. So we ship from fucking everywhere. But FDA compliance is basically letting you guys know that you're going to get the same product of Pronum every single time. That means that they require us to test the water. They require us to test all of our raw ingredients. And then once we make the product, they require us to test the product, so that you know exactly what you're buying every time you buy it is the exact same formula that's on the back. That is GMP standards, which is basically the FDA compliance when it comes to tattoo numbing spray. So a lot of the brands out there, especially Vaseline is made in China, they don't actually follow any of the regulations. And so what they're doing is they make it over in China, they send it over here. It's a non-regulated product. That means that you could be buying 4% lidocaine, 2% lidocaine, 1% lidocaine. You're never actually going to know. So FDA compliance means that you are buying a product that is the same every time. You're not buying from China, so it could be different inside the bottle every time. You never know. So that's the real big difference. That's understanding FDA compliance when it comes to tattoo numbing sprays.